Winning the SEO Game, Part 2. How does Google work? To understand SEO, it's important to have an understanding of how Google works. At the core, Google exists to return the right information to searchers. We trust that, most of the time, it will return information relevant to our searches. In order to make users happy, Google is always trying to find the best, most relevant information for a given search. But how does it determine which web pages are the best and most relevant? The Google algorithm uses over 200 different factors when evaluating pages. These factors help Google determine which pages to return in search results. You enter a search term and Google evaluates millions of pages by their ranking factors to find the results that best match your search. As you would expect, not all the ranking factors are equal. Google hasn't made it 100% clear which ones are the most important, but there seems to be a fair amount of agreement around a few. Search intent, backlinks, page speed, user experience, content freshness, depth, and accuracy, site authority, security, mobile friendliness, structured data, optimized for voice search. We'll go into much greater detail about each of these factors. If you want to succeed with SEO, focus on the factors listed above. We'll explore each of the factors and what they mean for your website in particular. Stay tuned for the rest of the series on winning the SEO game and local SEO tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.